Tonight we're making a classic side dish from France. Creamy and cheesy potatoes au gratin. Grate 4 ounces of cheddar cheese, Gouda cheese, and Parmesan cheese. Slice and boil 4 large Yukon Gold potatoes for 20 minutes. Melt a half a stick of butter in a bowl. Add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Add a 1/4 teaspoon each of nutmeg and black pepper and a half a teaspoon of salt. Give it a stir. Add in 2 egg yolks and give it a stir. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. In a sprayed tall bread pan, add in a layer of the cheese sauce, a layer of potatoes, and a layer of the 3 cheeses. Repeat the process until the pan is filled. Cover with aluminum foil and bake in the oven for 1.5 hours. Remove the foil and cook for another 30 minutes so that the top gets browned. Let the potatoes cool and use a ring mold to plate each serving. The ring mold adds a nice professional look. It was delicious! Until next time, bon appetit!